Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about Fleming's right hand rule. This rule is given at the end of article 13.5 in the 10th board NCERT book. This article deals with electromagnetic induction. In this principle of electromagnetic induction, it is found that when a conductor is moved in a magnetic field, an induced current flows through the wire. Our aim is to determine the direction of induced current. We are given two things. We are given the direction of magnetic field and we are given the direction of motion of conductor. And we have to determine the direction of induced current. To apply this, we first of all search which is our right hand. Stretch the three fingers out. This is the central finger. As in the left hand rule, here also C for C, central finger for current, 1, 2, 3, 4, F for field, and this thumb is for the direction of force or the motion of the conductor. So let us take an illustration to apply this. Suppose there is a magnetic field in this room which is directed vertically downwards. So direction of magnetic field is represented by this forefinger, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since as per our illustration the field is directed vertically downwards, let us point the forefinger downwards, keeping the other two closed. Let us point the forefinger downwards. Now this gets fixed. We have to freeze this. This can be treated as the axis about which the other two fingers can be rotated. So as I told you, let us take the case when a magnetic field is directed vertically downwards. It is represented by the forefinger which is pointing vertically down right now. And suppose there is a horizontal conductor which is being moved towards myself, towards me. This direction will be represented by thumb. So keeping the forefinger pointing vertically down, let me try to bring thumb towards me, that is in the direction of motion of conductor. Now once this is aligned with the direction of field and thumb with the direction of motion of conductor, then the central finger which is pointing vertically in gives the direction of conventional induced current through the conductor. Got it? I will repeat it. The forefinger points in the direction of field. Open your two fingers in whatever manner now. This should not get disturbed. Keeping this fixed, we have to bring the thumb in the direction of motion of conductor. As per our question, the conductor is moving towards me. So this is the direction of motion of the conductor, and this is the direction of induced current through the conductor. Now here, as a warning, I will point out few things. First of all, students get confused when to apply left hand rule and when to apply right hand rule. So left hand rule is applied when we have to determine the direction of force. Rather, it's better to say induced force. When we have to determine the direction of force, we have to apply left hand rule. इसे याद कराने के लिए मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसा कहना चाहूँगा कि अक्सर देसी भाषा में हम लोग ये बोलते हैं अपने दोस्तों से प्यार मोहब्बत में कि तेरे को उल्टे हाथ का घुमा के दूंगा थप्पड़। तो उल्टे हाथ का पता नहीं क्यों बोलते हैं, पर उल्टे हाथ से थप्पड़ मार रहे हैं, उल्टे हाथ से फोर्स लगा रहे हैं, तो उससे हम याद रख सकते हैं कि लेफ्ट हैंड इज फॉर फोर्स, लेफ्ट हैंड इज फोर्स and right hand is for current. And remember, the fingers, corresponding fingers in both the rules are same. C for current in either case, F for field in either case, and thumb for motion of conductor in either case. The corresponding fingers are same. Once the current is given in left hand rule, here the current is induced. And similarly, direction of field remains the same in both the cases. And thumb is the direction of motion of conductor or the velocity of the particle, right? Secondly, there is another very important point. Some students have a tendency to open the fingers like this. This precaution should be taken very carefully. Some students have a tendency to open the fingers like this. It's not. It has to be stretch the fingers outwards. आपको अपनी fingers इस तरह से खोलनी है कि तीनों fingers बाहर जाएं, जैसे हम बोल रहे हैं गोली मारो. ओके. और जब ये जो fingers हैं इस तरह से नहीं होनी चाहिए कि आपको एक बेंड करनी पड़े या एक फिंगर की काली साइड नखून आपको दिख रहा है. नखून आपको नहीं दिखना चाहिए. इस फिंगर का नखून आपको नहीं दिखना चाहिए. ये सब बाहर की तरफ होनी चाहिए. इट शुड बी आउटवर्ड्स. ये जो पाम की जो फ्रंट साइड है ये हमें बाहर जाना चाहिए. इसका ध्यान रखना है. इसको इस तरह से ओपन नहीं करना है. दैट्स इट. सो एज अ समरी आई विल रिपीट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we should point this forefinger in the direction of field. Say this is the direction of field. Keep this fixed and now rotate it like this. Bring the thumb in the direction of motion of conductor down, and then the central finger gives you the direction of induced current through the conductor. That's all for now. Thank you.